Hello guys, this is Pragya from Cloud Parley Academy. In this tutorial, you will talk about Apex programming and what are the features of Apex. Now, the first thing is what is Apex? Apex is a programming language used by the Salesforce developers. So, as you all know, that Salesforce gives you out of the box functionalities to achieve your business requirements. But if there is requirement that you cannot achieve using the out of the box functionalities like workflows, process builders, etc., then in that case, in order to achieve that requirements, you will need to write that code. And the language to write that code is called as Apex. So it is a programming language which is used by Salesforce developers to write the business logic, okay, which cannot be done by out of the functionalities. So Apex is a strongly typed object-oriented language. Now, what do you mean by strongly typed? Strongly typed means that if you are using any kind of data or any variable or constant inside of a Apex program, then you have to define the data type of that variable before you can use that variable inside your program. So if you're not familiar with variables, etc., constants, don't worry, we're going to cover all of the topics in this course. So that what is the meaning of the strongly typed language? Now, what do you mean by object-oriented language? Object-oriented language means that it works around the concepts of objects and classes. If you have worked with any of the language like Java, C++, they're also object-oriented language. So you have to create objects which has properties and methods inside of it. This language has the Java-like syntax. It is very much similar to Java. Are coming from Java background, it will be easy for you to learn Apex because everything is same. So Apex is also known as sister language of the Java. Another thing that enables the Salesforce developers to add the business logic to system events. Now, what do you mean that if things cannot be done by using out of the box functionalities, you can write the code in Apex. It enables developers to add business logic to system events, button clicks, and record updates. So, what do you mean by that? Is for example, if let's say you want to achieve something on whenever the user click on this hyperlinks or you user have to click on this button, then the Apex code is written in the background. Whatever thing will be the open after clicking on this button in on this link, now the thing which is open which is written in that Apex code. Apex is a language that is can be called by click of a link, by click of the button. So that is what the Apex. It's a programming language, very similar to Java, object oriented, strongly typed. Say it enables Salesforce developers to add business logic, which it is enables to do things which are not able to do with the out of the box.